episodes of Jessa's Kitchen. For today's video, I will show you how to prepare a perfect vanilla cake with Swiss meringue buttercream. Okay, but before we proceed to that demonstration, do you know that a cake is a form of sweet food made from flour, sugar, and of course other ingredients that is usually baked. And it's one of the most favorite dessert that we have. The term cake has a long history. The word itself is of the Viking origin from the Old Norse word kaka. Okay, so here are the ingredients that we need in preparing a perfect vanilla cake. For the ingredients, we have dry, and for the flour, we will be using all-purpose. Is 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We also have just 3 cups of sugar or granulated sugar. And then we also have this baking powder, that is 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And for the wet ingredients, we have 1 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla milk. For the milk, we have 1 1/2 cup of milk. Then 6 pieces of medium-sized egg. And of course, 1 1/2 cup softened butter. Once we will be using these edible flowers. Ayan, so as you can see, we have a lot of edible flowers here. Cake mold. We will be using this. We will be using this and this size of a cake molder. Okay. Preparing our mixture. So the first thing that we need to do is to cream our butter, sugar, and of course egg. Then sasamahan na rin po natin siya ng vanilla. Make sure na ang gagamitin yung butter ay softened butter, hindi galing sa ref, hindi po dapat matigas. So dapat siya ay malambot. So lalagay lang natin mixer. Okay, so we'll be using 1 1/2 cup of butter. Okay, then i-add na rin natin ang ating 6 pieces of eggs. Then let's add 3 cups of sugar. There we go. And our vanilla extract. So, mas okay kung meron kayong vanilla as in yung vanilla. Pero if you don't have, you use vanilla extract. Scrape it para hindi masayang ang ating ingredients. Okay, so for this method, we will be doing a creaming method. So, ginagawa ang creaming method para ma-incorporate ng maayos ang air or to incorporate the air para magkaroon tayo ng mas light and fluffy or floppy cake rather. Okay? So, isiset natin ang ating mixer into high speed. Imimix lang natin ang ating butter and ang ating sugar hanggang sa mawala na po yung buo-buong sugar. Kailangan ay makakuha tayo na or ma-achieve natin yung pinaka-fine texture nito. So, wala nang buo-buo na sugar. So, at this moment, meron pang kaunti. So, kailangan pa rin natin siyang i-mix. Okay, this is it. So this is the right texture or the consistency na hinahanap natin. Super smooth. Yan, Lagyan ng buo-buo na sugar. Go. Now, it's time to combine the dry ingredients. So, unahin natin itong ating flour. Flour. All-purpose flour. So, sifted all-purpose flour. And then, let's add the baking powder rather. Then, let's add our fresh milk. So, fresh milk yung ginamit ko dito. Okay. Sobrang puno. So, actually, this recipe is 1 1/2. So, ginawa kong 1 1/2 yung ating recipe para mas marami siya. Balance. So, as you can see, we divided our butter or our cake butter into 3 molds. So, meron tayo dalawang maliit and then isang malaki. And as you can see on my cake molder, nilagyan natin siya ng wet cloth. So, itong basang damit na to, nakita ko lang to sa isang YouTuber din. Magaling din siyang mag-bake. So, nilalagyan niyo ng wet cloth para hindi lumobo yung gitna kapag siya ay niluluto na. So, para even yung heat distribution dito sa ating cake molder. Itong ating cake for about 40 to 45 minutes. With a temperature of 150 to 160 degrees Celsius. Okay, let's start baking. Let's go. Let's go baking. Wait for 40 to 45 minutes hanggang sa maluto na yung ating cake. But, from time to time, kailangan din natin siyang i-check kasi baka naman ma-overbake yung ating cake. Okay, see you in 40 minutes or 45 minutes.